Hello guys and welcome back to Silva Saraji TV. Today we're going to be making two recipes. One is going to be tuna vegetable hash with potatoes and the other is going to be jollof rice. So these are the ingredients we're going to be using for our tuna vegetable hash. It's not a lot, it's very affordable. So yeah, let's get started and enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you want more videos like this, don't forget to share as well. So first of all, you have to blend your red bell peppers. That is separate from the multicolored bell peppers. So then heat up your pan with some oil and make sure your onions are golden brown. Add some chili, then tomatoes, but don't make them be too much. Then add your bell peppers that have different colors. If you would like to have only one color, that's up to you. Add your seasoning. In this case we're using Maggi, salt, curry, and powdered Maggi. Stir everything together. Then add your tuna. Make sure you already used a fork to press it down. Then once you finish peeling your potatoes, wash them and then put them in a pan with already heated up water and add a little bit of salt. Once they're done, take your fresh cooked potatoes out directly. Don't let them cool down, and then be stirring them around in the sauce. You can also dish them separately, so plate them separately on a plate, but in this case my mom decided to do it like this. It was very yummy, and let's move on to the next one. So for this recipe we have already cooked our rice down, so make sure you don't cook your rice till done because it's still going to be cooking with the stew later on. So first of all, heat up your pan with some oil, add your onion and add curry for the aroma and flavor. Once you finish doing that, add your tomato paste, and with your tomato paste you'll add your blended peppers. My mom always uses this, it's make it more yummy. So add your Maggi, salt, and your powdered Maggi. It really is very good to season it well, but don't season it too much because you're going to add your meat stock like you see right now. So then stir everything together and let that cook. Once it has cooked and it looks very beautiful like this, you basically already have stew, but now you'll have to add your rice and more meat stock. So make sure your rice isn't too much and your what's it called, your stew is also not too much, because we want it to be equal and the stew not to be overflowing the rice, because the rice also has its own flavor. So here we're putting our chicken inside because we're going to be making chicken as the meat. So add your seasoning cube, your salt, your onions, powdered Maggi, curry, and make sure you stir that up. Don't forget to add your pepper, butter, important ingredients then let it steam. For those who don't know, the steaming technique is one of the best techniques you can do when you're cooking meat. It works for any type of meat. So once you finish steaming, put some water, then it will cook. And after that, in this case, we're not going to be air frying it. We're going to be frying it in the pan with oil. Make sure it's golden brown like this, and then we're basically finished already. Now make sure you don't turn your rice, that you basically put your can once stick inside the roast top and then like raise the rice up because we don't want it to burn, but we still want it to have that good smoky flavor. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe.